Okay, this is homework one, problem number two for the mechanism design, and you're supposed to make this part. The dimensions are in inches. That being the case, I'm going to change my units to inches first. So tools, options. Let me go to parameters and measures, units, length. I'm going to change that thing to inches. Okay. And the grid size, I'm going to make it 1 inch by 1 inch. How about that? So let's go once again, tools options. On the mechanical design, sketcher, on the sketcher, I'm going to make a 1 inch by 1 inch grid. Okay. And we say fine. Let's start with the part file. And we call this thing homework one, problem one. Oh, sorry, problem two, mech design. Mech DES, and I'm going to save it in my folder. Good. So file, save management, save as. In that folder, that's the name that I'm going to give it. Oh, sorry, design two. No, no. Problem two. I think that's what I want to say. Problem two. Let's say okay. Very good. Now, here's my strategy. I will make this side first. Now, this side, obviously, there are cutouts here, so it's going to be a rectangle and half a circle. So that's how I'm going to do that. On that vertical plane, I will sketch. Okay, something like perhaps like this. Yeah. So let me see now. Go like that. Make a circle. Go there. Come down. Okay, and let's give these some dimensions here. From this edge is going to be 4 inches. So that edge is 4 inches. Okay. This height is 2. This height is 2. Now, uh, uh, obviously, if I make these two parallel, it's gonna work. So this control that uh, considering using dialog box to make it parallel. Good. That's better. Very good. Now let's give some dimensions here. Uh, let me see for a second. Yeah. So we're going to make a circle there. So I'm going to make a circle here. The diameter of that circle, according to the drawing, is 1. So let's make that thing diameter 1. I say okay. Good. Exit. Now I'm going to pad this. Okay, pad it by let's say what is this? 2 inches. So I'm going to pad this thing 2 inches. Good. All right. Now on that top face, I will sketch. So I want to draw a rectangle here and make a with the right dimension and make actually a pocket. So let me draw a rectangle like so. Okay. From this edge to that edge is apparently 0.5. So let me go from this edge to that edge, 0.5, 0.5, okay, 0.5, so okay, And also from here to there is 0.5. 0.5. So, okay. All right. And this length seems to be uh okay, if this is 2.5, okay, from that end to this is 2.5. Okay, so let's do that. Make sure we don't make a mistake here. Dimension from here to there looks like should be 2.5. Okay. And now we make a pocket all the way. So exit, pocket, go further down. So what you see here is what you see at that other end. Now, I don't know whether I saved this thing or not. File. Yeah, okay. I'll have to click on the floppy. I think I did it using file save management. And now, okay, so the different ways of doing this piece. So let me do the following. On that face, I will sketch. I'll sketch a line. Let me see. I'll sketch a line that is 45 degrees like that. All right. So let's do it let's do it like so. From here to there. Uh, maybe the easier way of doing this thing. Let me get through this. Maybe it's better if I go on that horizontal plane, XY plane, draw that line, and then pocket it up. Yeah, that's probably better. Yeah. So let's exit this. We don't want that. At the bottom of this, we sketch. Uh, so we sketch a line 1 inch by 1 inch, another about 45-degree angle. So let me do the following. Please note that there are a lot of other ways of doing this problem. So this angle, I want it to be 45. 45. And from here to that end should be 1. So, or this dimension should be 1. Cancel. Try it again. This dimension should be 1. Okay. Exit. All right. So, okay. And then pocket this all the way to the top. So, pocket all the way to the top. And there we are. So, what I have done here, see now, uh, okay, so if you look at it like this, you can see what I've done, right? There. Now, to get this plane, there are different ways. One of them is this. So you select that. Uh, let me do the following. Let me create a point down here and a point up there, and let me see now. This point, trying to get. Wait a minute. Yeah. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a line from this end on that face, this end like that, 45 degrees. So here, look, on that plane, on that top plane, I will sketch. Okay. A line that goes like this, 45 degrees. So let's see a line that starts from here. I can always make it coincident later on, no problem, and goes like that. Let me take this point, control that point, make it coincident first of all. Okay, good. We make this angle 45 degrees between this guy and that guy. That's 45. Okay. Exit. All right. And then I create a point here. See that point on this line, which is uh, 1 inch. Okay. So how do I make a point? Here's a point. Here's a point. Uh, for example, you can make it on that line, on that curve, this curve, and the distance of 1, we say okay. So the point is created here. Let's make a plane through this point and that line and use that plane to cut this piece. So where's the plane? Right there. Uh, reference the method that we're going to use is through a point and through a point and a line. The point is this. The line is that. The plane has been created. We say okay. Now we're going to split this. Split is you go to the saw. You select this. There is an arrow here. You see that? If you turn this thing around, there is an arrow. That arrow tells you which side you want to pick. So let me flip this arrow and then say, okay, there. And that is what we have. Okay. So if this line is bothering you, I can always hide it right there. All right. So that takes care of this tutorial. We got tutorial problem number 2. So let me move on to the next problem.